Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Airtable Rollups for real-time progress tracking step by step clearly. To update Airtable Rollups for real-time progress tracking, start by opening your Airtable base. Locate the table that contains the data you want to roll up. Select the Rollup field you wish to update. Click on the arrow next to the Rollup field to access its settings. In the Settings panel, review the linked record field you are using for the Rollup. Make sure it references the correct table for accurate data retrieval. Next, confirm the aggregation function that best suits your needs. Common functions include sum, average, and count. If the function needs changing, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred option. After selecting a new function, inspect the Rollup values displayed on the right. To include additional criteria, explore the option to add filters to your Rollup. Filters can refine the data, ensuring the Rollup reflects the necessary parameters. Once you finalize your settings, click outside the Settings panel to save changes. Next, go back to the main view of your table. Refresh the page to ensure the latest updates are visible. Observe the Rollup field to verify that it now reflects real-time data accurately. If you need to update multiple rollups, repeat the previous steps for each field. Finally, consider setting up automated notifications to stay informed about changes in your Rollup data. This will enhance your tracking efficiency and maintain real-time oversight. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.